Welcome to Manage Engine. In this video, we are going to walk through the Microsoft 365 patch deployment process. Let's start by discussing the prerequisites necessary to set up Office. Click to Run Settings in Endpoint Central. Navigate to Threats and Patches, then select Settings and Office. Click to Run Settings. Here, you can select language packs and additional proofing tools that should accompany your Office updates. Make sure these match your environment to avoid installation issues. Enable options to automatically add new languages and re-download updates when your language preferences change. You will also need to select a download source for your patches. Choose Microsoft CDN if using a distribution server, which optimizes bandwidth usage. If not using a distribution server, Central Server is the default option, but note it consumes more bandwidth. Next, determine how installations should proceed when Office is in use. Options include forcefully closing applications to install updates, skipping updates when applications are active, or allowing users to choose. After selecting the appropriate setting, click on Save. Once configured, let's move on to deploying Microsoft 365 patches. For manual deployment, go to the Missing Patches tab to search and filter the Microsoft 365 patches needed. Configure additional settings in the Install/Uninstall patch window for deploying the patches. For automated patch deployment, create an APD task. Under Select Applications, after specifying your updates and severities, enable Patch Specific Applications. Enter Microsoft 365 to see applicable. Choose which to include in your task. Set your configurations and select Target Systems for automated patching, and then save this task. Thanks for watching this video.